In this video, I will show you how to replace the battery in your Buick Terraza key fob. If you clicked on this video, you might have a device that looks slightly different. There's one that looks just like mine here, and then there's one that has two extra buttons right there. It's the same basic design, but with two more buttons. You could even have this one, which is again kind of the same thing, but with this little extra trunk button there. They're all the same, the battery's the same, the process to open it up is the same. So just follow along with me here, and I promise we will get a new battery in your Terraza key fob in no time. You'll just need one of these CR2032 batteries and a regular flathead screwdriver to get it done. If you'd like to get one of those batteries online, I will put a link down in the description so you can get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks, and then we can just get right into it. So down here where the key ring attaches, right here, there is a little thin slot on the seam of the plastic. There's a little opening there. We're going to take a flathead screwdriver, just insert it into that area, kind of wiggling it in. It's very thin, so you might want to use a smaller size flathead, or even you could use like a butter knife or something like that. Just once you get it in that area and it's kind of wedged in, you can just twist your screwdriver a little bit and it will start to crack this thing open. You can now just pull it apart with your fingers or go in that opening and just twist, working your way down. And now we have access to the battery. I'm just going to gently lift out this circuit board out of this little rubber component there, so I have so I can better work with the battery and just slide it out with my thumb. Just pulling the battery straight out. You can go ahead and dispose of your old battery, take a new CR2032 battery, and when you put it in there, make sure the positive side does go face up. So just like this, you're going to slide it in. You should see that text and that plus sign facing up. And now we can just put it all back together. So I'm going to take the front of the device here with the rubber, and I'm just going to set the circuit board in there with the battery facing up. Make sure that's sitting in there nicely before I just click the back of the device back on there. Just squeeze it all together, and we are all set. I hope that was helpful for you, and if it was, you can always let me know down in the comment section or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can always check back here at this YouTube channel. We've got video tutorials for pretty much every device from every maker model. And you can also get all that information directly at our website, fobbattery.com.